Alright guys, welcome to my video. My name is Maza White. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to start an online business in 2022. By the way, if you haven't downloaded my free ebook, the 7 things you need to know before starting an online business to avoid frustration, go right away and download this book. Alright, I believe that this is one book that you got to read before starting an online business. Alright, it's very important that you read this book. Okay, and then if you're coming across my video for the very first time, don't fail to subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment, and then if you have questions you can put in your questions. I'm going to answer your questions. All right, and then if you're looking at if you're looking at how to make legitimate money on the internet, not less than $2,000 every month, working from the comfort of your home with your internet, I'm leaving the link to my free crash course. All right, and go and check out my free crash course to find out how I actually make not less than $2,000 every month using this particular system. All right, you can go check out this system, and something that you can use to also build real business on the internet and make money online. All right guys, now when it comes to starting an online business, statistic has shown that every other person wants to own an online business. Now the reason is that with an online business you can work practically from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. All right, so I'm going to go through the first three requirements to start an online business. Number one, you need a website. All right, now what your website is going to do for you is help you to maintain a digital presence, maintain an online business. But beyond that, your website is going to add to your credibility online. All right, it's going to add to your legitimacy online. It's going to make you look real online, because there are loads of businesses out there that are similar to your businesses and you need to stand out. Okay, your website is going to showcase what you stand for, which is your brand, and then your website is going to help you to generate leads and then make you to enjoy help your business to enjoy organic traffic if your website is properly optimized for search engine. All right, now another thing that you need, the second thing that you need to start an online business is an audience. You need an audience. An audience is simply a specific group of people who are interested in what you are promoting and they are ready to buy from you. You need to know how to build your audience. Okay, number three, you need something to sell. You must have something to sell. Okay, it could be in the form of a digital product or a physical product. All right, and one beautiful thing about the internet is that there are loads of products out there on the internet that are completely free to promote. In other words, you don't need to put a dime on the table to promote this product or services, and this is where affiliate marketing comes in. So all you have to do is just go sign up on these platforms, all right, and promote products on this platform. So those are the three requirements to start an online business. You need a website, you need an audience, and then you need something to sell. Now let's look at how to kickstart your online business. How do you kickstart your online business? Is it rocket science to kickstart your online business? No, it is not a rocket science to kickstart your online business. Now, the first thing you need to do to kickstart your online business is to create and share relevant, high-value content on the internet. All right, in the form of videos, in the form of blogs, ebooks, trainings, webinars. You need to put relevant content on the internet. This is how to engage your audience. All right, and the content that you're putting must resonate with your audience. All right, number two, your content must provide solution. All right, there must be they must provide relevant solutions. Not only content, but there must be contents that answer questions. All right, your audience they have problems that they want to solve. They have questions in their heart that they need answer to. If your content can provide solutions and answers, then it is likely that they're going to engage you on the internet, and over time they're going to become your buying customers. All right, the number three thing you need again is to create a well-defined sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? Now, a sales funnel is simply everything that you do on the internet to convert your prospective customers from your the ebook that you send out to capture their email, to the autoresponder, to the landing page, to your sales page, to your website. Whatever thing you do on the internet to engage your audience is simply your marketing funnel, or what you call a sales funnel. So you need to have a well-defined sales funnel. Please, if you're getting value from this content, please don't forget to leave me a like and leave a comment. All right. So finally, the last thing that you need, okay, is to leverage free platforms. To kickstart your online business, you need to leverage free platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever free platform that you can find on the internet. You can go leverage such free platform to promote yourself, to promote your business and what you stand for. All right. And learn also how to join groups and join network out there that are like-minded, that are doing what you're doing. All right, like forums out there. There are several forums out there that you can join, all right, to promote your content, answer questions, and give value and answer questions. All right, so this is simply how to go on the internet. This is how to start an online business in 2022. What I'm sharing with you is what I also do, and as I'm sharing, I'm also learning, and this is how I started my online business, and I tell you, I've been enjoying myself online. All right, so don't forget to check out my free crash course. The link is going to be below this video. All right, and don't forget to go download my free ebook, The 7 Things You Need to Know Before Starting an Online Business to Avoid Frustration. So go check out this content. The links are going to be below this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video, and thank you for being with me.